Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. Today we are going to solve Class 12 Federal Board 2025 Model Paper Section C Long Question number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Left hand questions are solved in this video and right hand questions will be solved in the next video. So you have to watch complete video because in this video I will share some easy tips and tricks to solve these questions. Now we will start today's lecture. Before solving this question, I inform you that MCQs and short questions of this model paper for 2025 exams you can find in the description of this video. Question number 3 is a curve has an equation y is equal to 1 by 2 x cube minus 9 into x raised to power 1.5 plus 8 by x plus 30 and x is greater than 0. It's mean x is a positive number and we have to find first of all in the a part dy by dx. dy by dx means we will differentiate this with respect to x. So for this purpose we will apply here the power rule of differentiation, that is power rule is dy by dx of any function like x raised to power n will be equal to n into x raised to power n minus 1. So we will use this here. So first of all dy by dx of this y will be equal to 3 will be multiplied, so 3 by 2 and x raised to power 3 minus 1 because we have rule x raised to power n means n minus 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2 minus 9 into 1.5 x raised to power 1.5 minus 1 plus 8 by x. 8 by x will be equal to the, so we will write this as x raised to power minus 1. So minus 1, 8, x raised to power minus 1 minus 1 and differentiation of plus 30 will be equal to 0. So now we will simplify this. Dy by dx is equal to the 3 by 2 x square. 1.5 into 9 will be equal to the, by solving this we will get, so 13.5 and x raised to power 1.5 minus 1.0 is equal to the 0.5 plus this will become minus 8 x raised to power minus 2. So this is the answer of dy by dx. Now the b part is show that the point 4 and minus 8 lies on the curve defined. Now we have to verify that the point where the x coordinates are 4 and the y are minus 8 lies on the curve defined. So for this purpose we will substitute the value of, put x is equal to 4 in equation 1. So this is the equation 1. So we will put the value of x, that is 4. So y will be equal to, if y is minus 8 then we can say that this point lies on the curve. So 1 by 2, 4 cube minus 9, x is 4 power 1.5 plus 8 by 4 plus 30. Now 4 cube is 64. So 64 by 2 is 32 minus 4 raised to power 1.5 means we will multiply this 3 times. So it will become 8 and then multiply 8 by 9. This is equal to 72. So minus 72 plus 2 plus 30. So this will be equal to the 32 minus 72 is minus 40, then minus 40 plus 2 will be equal to minus 38. Minus 38 plus 30 will be equal to minus 8. So we get y is equal to minus 8. It's mean when x is equal to 4, y is equal to minus 8. So the result shows that the point 4 and minus 8 lies on the curve defined. Now we will solve the part C. Now the part C is find equation of tangent and normal at the point 4 and minus 8. And answer should be right in the form of this linear equation ax plus by plus c, which is equal to 0, and a, b, c all are belongs to the set of real numbers. So we will solve this question in a very easy and simple way. To find the equation of tangent, we know that for equation of tangent slope is required. Slope can be found by if you substitute the value of x, that is 4, in this dy by dx, because dy by dx is always equal to the m. M is the slope of tangent, so this is the equation 2. So for solution you will write that put x is equal to 4 in equation 2. So m will be equal to the 3 by 2 into 4 square minus 13.5, 4 raised to power 0.5 minus 8 into 4 raised to power minus 2. So by solving this we will get, this was 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 into 16 minus 13.5. If we simplify this 13.5, this will be equal to 27 by 2. And 4 raised to power 0.5 means half of 4. So this will be equal to 2. Then minus 8 by 4 minus square means 8 by 16. So after solving this is 8 and 8 minus 27, then minus 1 by 2, this is equal to minus 7 by 2. So we get m is equal to minus 7 by 2. Now we will find the equation of tangent line. So we will solve this. So equation of tangent is equal to the y minus y1 into m into x minus x1. So we will substitute the value of m, that is minus 7 by 2, y1 is minus 8 and x1 is 4 in this equation. So y plus 8, because y1 is minus 8, is equal to the m is minus 7 by 2 and x minus 4. So by taking LCM of this we will get 2y plus 16 is equal to the minus 7x plus 28. So this is equal to the 7x plus 2y is equal to 28 minus 16 is 12. So this is the equation in the form of, we have to get ax plus by plus c, which is equal to 0. So this can be write as 7x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. So this is the equation of tangent. Now we will find the equation of normal. So the difference between equation of tangent and equation of normal is that tangent and normal are perpendicular, have perpendicular relation, and the slope of normal will be equal to the, like here m is equal to minus 7 by 2, so slope of normal is equal to the 2 by 7, and sign minus will be become positive, because we know that for normal it is minus 1 over m tangent, reciprocal of tangent. So now the equation of normal will be same as this y minus y1 into m into x minus x1. Now here we use the slope of the normal, that is 2 by 7. So y minus y1 point is minus 8. So this will become plus y plus 8, and 2 by 7 into x minus x1 is 4. By taking LCM, this is 7y plus 8 into 7 is 56, which is equal to 2x minus 8. Now we will write this equation in the form of ax plus by plus c, which is equal to 0. So we can write 2x minus 7y and minus 8 minus 56 will be minus 64, which is equal to 0. So this is the answer of this question. I hope you understand easily that how we have solved this question. First of all, we find dy by dx. Then we have to prove that 4 and minus 8 is the point lies on this curve. Then we find the equation of tangent. For this purpose, we find the value of m. M is find out by substituting x is equal to 4 and then get the equation of tangent, and finding after tangent we can easily find the normal, that is the reciprocal of tangent. So then equation of normal will be same as the equation of tangent, but value of m is changed. So we get both the answer. Now we will solve question number 4. Now the question number 4, A part is A point 51, B point 3 minus 5 and C point is minus 3 and 7 are the vertices of a triangle ABC. Find the equation of median of triangle ABC. Now we have to find the median of the triangle. First of all, you will draw the triangle like this, and this is A point, that is 5 and 1. This is B point, that is 3 and minus 5, and this is C point, that is minus 3 and 7. Now you have to find the equation of median of the triangle ABC. For this purpose, let's suppose D is the midpoint of BC. This point is D, and midpoint of AC is E and AB is F. Now these are the midpoints. After finding the midpoints of this, you will find the equation of medians. So first of all, because the midpoints are passes through the centers, now midpoint D is between B and C. Now first of all, I will discuss two important formulas to find the midpoints and the equation. So you will easily solve this question. So midpoint is always equal to the m by x1 plus x2 divided by 2 and y1 plus y2 divided by 2. This is the formula for midpoint. So when you have to find the value of E, you will add minus 3 and 5 and divided by 2, then add 7 plus 1 and divided by 2. If you have to find midpoint D, you will also minus 3 and plus 3, then 7 minus 5. You will solve this, and for finding the value of F, you will use these 2 points A and B and get the value of the midpoint, that is F. Now another important formula, that is the equation of line. So because you also have to find the equation, so equation of line is always equal to y minus y1 by x minus x1, which is equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So this is the formula. Then you will cross multiply and get the equation of line. So first you have to solve these midpoint and equation of line for this point, and then we will solve the B part. Now we have to find the first of all midpoint D. Midpoint D will be equal to the minus 3 plus 3 divided by 2 and 7 minus 5 divided by 2, which is equal to 0. 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 divided by 2 will be 1. So 0 and 1. Now the equation of median will be, so equation of median of this will be equal to, so you will write equation of median or equation of AD. Here you will use this point is 0 and 1. So x1 is 5 and x2 is 0. y1 is 1 and y2 is also 1. So this is equal to the y minus y1 means y minus 1 and x minus x1 means x minus 5, which is equal to x2 minus x1 means 1 minus 1 and x2 minus x1 means 0 minus 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0, so this is equal to 0. So y minus 1 will be equal to 0 because x minus 5 will be multiplied by this and we get y is equal to 1. So this is the equation of AD. Y is equal to 1. Now we will find the midpoint F, then find the equation of FC. Now you will write midpoint F, which is equal to 5 plus 3 divided by 2 and 1 minus 5 means minus 4 divided by 2 is minus 2. So 1 minus 5 divided by 2. So midpoint F is 4 and minus 2. So this is the value of midpoint. Now we will find the equation of midpoint, that is CF. So equation of CF and the quadrant of F are 4 and minus 2. So we will use these 2 points of C and F and then find the equation of this. So y minus 7 divided by x minus will become plus. So x plus 3 and then minus 2 minus 7 divided by 4 and minus will become plus. So this is equal to 4 minus 7 x plus 3 minus 9 and 7. So cross multiply of this will give you 7y minus 49 minus 9x minus 27. So 9x plus 7y is equal to minus 27 or minus 49 plus 27 is minus 22. So this is the equation of CF. Now we will find the midpoint, that is last E, and then find the equation of BE. Now the midpoint E is equal to the minus 3 plus 5 divided by 2 and 7 plus 1 divided by 2. So minus 3 plus 5 is plus 2 divided by 2 is 1. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. So midpoint is 1 and 4. Now we will find the equation BE. So equation BE will be equal to the y minus y1 means we will get y minus 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 will become plus, y plus 5 and x minus 3, which is equal to the e point is 1 and 4. So 4 plus 5 and then 1 minus 3. So y plus 5, x minus 3, 9 by minus 2. So cross multiply of this will give you minus 2 multiplied by y is minus 2y minus 10, which is equal to 9x minus 27. So this will equal to the 9x plus 2y and then minus 27 plus 10 is equal to minus 16. So this is the equation of BE. Now we will solve the B part. Now in the B part you have to show that the medians are concurrent. So for this purpose, to prove this, the medians are concurrent, we will solve this as, now in the B part we have to show that the medians are concurrent. For this purpose we will first draw the triangle of this, and A is 5 and 1, B is 3 and minus 5, and C is minus 3 and 7. And we have also the midpoint of this, D is the midpoint of BC, that was 0, 1, and the midpoint of E is the midpoint of AC, that is 1 and 4, and F was the midpoint of A and B, that was 4 and minus 2. And we have also find out the equation of AD, equation of BE. Like equation of AD we have find out in the A part was equal to the y is equal to 1. This was equation of AD, and the equation of FC was, or CF, we have find out that was equal to the, was 9x plus 7y minus 22 is equal to 0. This was the equation of CF. And the third equation we have find out for BE was equal to the, we have already find out in the A part, that was 9x plus 2y minus 17 is equal to 0. These three equations we have find out in the A part. Now for B part, to prove this, we will find the intersection point of these lines. So this point is the intersection. So intersection point for this we will get by take y is equal to 1 and put y is equal to 1 in any one pair of these equation. So we will find the point of intersection of line AD. So you will write point of intersection of line AD and CF. You will find the point of intersection of AD and is CF, means put y is equal to 1 in CF. So 9x plus 7 into 1 minus 22 is equal to 0. So 9x plus 7 minus 22 is equal to 0. It's mean minus 22 plus 7 is equal to the 9x minus 15 is equal to 0. then x is equal to the 15 by 9's mean 5 by 3. So the point of intersection are 5 by 3 and y is equal to 1. So we will substitute this value in any one pair of this equation. So we will put the point of intersection in any one pair, like x is equal to 5 by 3 and y is equal to 1 in equation of CF. So we will get 9 into 5 by 3 plus 7 into 1 minus 22 is equal to 0. So 15 plus 7 minus 22 is equal to 0. 22 minus 22, which implies that 0 is equal to 0. It's mean that the equation of the medians are concurrent. Now we will solve question number 5. Now the question number 5 is, you have to solve this by integration by parts. Theta 4 plus pi multiply e raised to power 3 theta into d theta. So first of all we will break down this and solve this easily. Multiply e raised to power 3 theta by this. So theta 4 e raised to power 3 theta d theta plus pi into e 3 theta d theta. So this will be, we will use here integration by parts formula. So by integration by parts we have the formula for this. You will take u is equal to the theta 4 and dv is equal to e raised to power 3 theta d theta. Now du will be is equal to 4 theta 4 minus 1 3 and v will be equal to, by integration of this you will get e raised to power 3 theta by 3. Now you will apply these value in the formula of the integration by part, that is u dv is always equal to the uv minus v dv. So you will get u multiply v means theta 4 e raised to power 3 theta by 3 minus 1 by 3 v is e3 theta and dv is e3 theta d theta. So here you use du, so value of du will be apply here. So that is 4 theta cube. Now by solving this you will get 1 by 3 theta 4 e3 theta and minus 4 by 3 integration of e3 theta theta cube d theta. Now we will apply again here integration by parts formula and we will get the value. Now we will apply the direct formula upon this. So we will write this here, then again simplify this. So 1 by 4, 1 by 3 theta 4 e raised to power 3 theta and then and plus pi e3 theta d theta is equal to the plus pi by 3 and into e3 theta d theta will be equal to the e3 theta by 3. So this is the value of this. Now we have to simplify minus 4 by 3 into e3 theta theta cube d theta. So again we will apply here the formula of integration by parts. Now u will be equal to the theta cube. So and dv will be equal to the e3 theta d theta. So this remains same, and now du will be equal to the 4 theta cube, and dv is remain same, e3 theta by 3. Now we will solve this further. Now we will substitute the values here. We will get this will be equal to 1 by 3 theta 4 e raised to power 3 theta plus pi by 3 e raised to power 3 theta by 3 minus 4 by 3 into, by solving this by integration by parts, we will get 1 by 3 theta cube e3 theta minus 1 by 3 e3 theta, and theta cube will be equal to the 3 theta square. So d theta. Now we will again apply integration by parts here and get the answer. So 1 by 3 theta 4 e3 theta plus pi by 9 so this is pi by 3. So now e raised to power 3 theta multiply this will be equal to 4 by 9 and theta cube e raised to power 3 theta. Now minus 4 by 9, minus minus will become plus 4 by 9 integration of, and then 4 is also multiplied 3 will become 12. So 12 by 9 and e raised to power 3 theta, theta square d theta. Now again apply here integration by parts will give you 1 by 3 theta 4 e raised to power 3 theta plus pi by 3 e3 theta minus 4 by 9 theta cube e3 theta. Now here the function u will be equal to the theta square and du will be equal to 2 theta, and dv remains the same and v is also remains the same. So you will get 4 by 3 and here you will get, by using integration by parts formula, theta square into e3 theta by 3 minus e3 theta by 3 into 2 theta d theta. So this will be equal to the, so again by doing integration by parts of this we will get 4 by 81 theta e raised to power 3 theta and then plus 2 by 243 e raised to power 3 theta, and this is the final answer of this question. I hope you understand how we apply integration by parts upon this, and plus c is also used in the answer. Now we will solve the last question. Now the last question is, if u is equal to secant inverse x minus y by x raised to power 3 by 4 plus y raised to power 3 by 4 and whole power is 1 by 7, then x into partial u over partial x plus y partial u over partial y is equal to the 1 by 28 cot u. So we have to find this question in very easy and simple way. So we will solve this question. So in this question we will apply the Euler theorem, that is x into partial f over partial x plus y into partial f over partial y is equal to n into f of x and y. So here we apply this formula. So we will solve this, and this is also, and if you have the function like this, f of t of x and t and y, so this is equal to the t of n into f x and y. So we will apply this here. Let u is equal to the secant v, or you will solve, or v is equal to the secant of u. Now you will get v is equal to the secant of u will be equal to x minus y by x raised to power 3 by 4 plus y raised to power 3 by 4 and whole power is 1 by 7. Because here this is secant inverse, then when it goes to the left hand side it will become secant u. So v is equal to this function. Now in the next step we have to find that v is a homogeneous or not. For this purpose, replace x by t of x and y by t of y. So v of t of x and t of y will be equal to the x will be t of x and y is t of y, and t of x whole power is 3 by 4 and t of y whole power is 3 by 4 and 1 by 7. Now we will simplify this. We will get t raised to power 1 minus 3 by 4 and remaining function is x minus y by x raised to power 3 by 4 plus y raised to power 3 by 4 and 1 by 7. So the value of t will be equal to the, and the whole power is this is 1 by 7. So we will get v of t of x and t of y is equal to t raised to power 1 by 4 and 1 by 7 into x minus y by x raised to power 3 by 4 plus y raised to power 3 by 4 and whole power is 1 by 7. So t 1 by 28 and this is equal to the v of x and y. Now this proved that this is a homogeneous of the degree 1 by 28. Now we will apply the Euler theorem on this. So we will apply this here. So we will get x partial v over partial x plus y partial v over partial y is equal to the 1 by 28. This is 1 by 28 v. Then x into v is equal to the secant of u. So secant u partial x plus y into secant u by partial y is equal to 1 by 28 and v is equal to the secant of u. So we will multiply this by tan of u and get x secant u and tan of u. then partial u over partial x plus y secant u tan of u partial u over partial y, and this is equal to 1 by 28 secant of u. So by taking common of this, you will get x partial u over partial x plus y partial u over partial y is equal to 1 by 28 secant u, and divide this by secant u and tan u. So x partial u over partial x plus y partial u over partial x is equal to 1 by 28. Tan is the reciprocal of cot, so this is equal to cot u, and this is the answer of this question. I hope you understand easily how we have solved this. Subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve the part 2. All the questions that are given on the right hand side of this model paper. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.